Do you open social media, stare at a blank screen and wonder, what on earth am I supposed to post today? And the thought of filming yourself, dancing on camera, or trying to become an influencer makes you want to give up before you even begin. You are not short of ideas because you are not creative. You simply need a system that tells you what to create and helps you create it quickly. That is why I created the free Faceless Viral Content Starter Kit. Inside, you'll get 24 ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts designed to help you create scroll-stopping content without showing your face. These prompts will help you create attention-grabbing hooks, engaging captions, faceless reels, conversation-starting posts, and even 30 days of content ideas. Simply copy a prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and personalize the result for your audience. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need previous marketing experience. And you certainly don't need to spend hours every day trying to work out what to post. It is beginner-friendly, camera-free, and designed to help you get started in as little as 10 minutes. I'm the Raza, and after more than 30 years in marketing, I've learned that content does not need to be complicated to be effective. Today, I use AI templates and simple faceless systems to create content, grow an audience, and build an online business. And I created this kit to help you do the same. Enter your name and email below and I'll send the free Faceless Viral Content Starter Kit straight to your inbox. Stop staring at a blank screen and start creating content with confidence. Click below and get your free copy now.